What's going on, BSG? So, hey, we're going to get right into it, man. We're going to get this thing mounted. Well, not mounted, but we're going to sand this down a little bit so we can get to the metal. And then we're going to weld the plate on right here. Then we're going to keep going on down the line to get the rest of these, oh shit, you can't see my picture. To get the rest of these damn, get the other subframe connectors done. All right, so put y'all over there somewhere, man. Hey, y'all can see. Put y'all right there. We're gonna get to it.
Potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your. Let me not even say this shit. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Niggas want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves.
Use my floor jack to jack it up to hold this here.
I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Next up, I need a tag, yeah. Shawty, I'm paying for the go one. Bring that to the crib, show love. Okay. Hey, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we. Look at the dread, my nigga, we ran shit all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming that they know my songs. I tell them quote the lines until I'm goated, bitch, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna fuck, I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doge, just fuck what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. Fuck what you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the cook got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Hold up, yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Next up, I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Next up, I need a tag, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love.
Alright, y'all, so you guys already know I am a better grinder than I am a welder, so let's look at it. Yeah, it's ugly, but it's gonna stay. Come on, man. Hey y'all, so I'm having problems with my welder and get his damn welder some time to cool down. I think that's what the problem is. Well guys, so while that thing right there, the welder cools down, we're gonna jump on finishing up this ring and try to button this thing all the way up if we can. As you guys know, there's no weight in this vehicle, so hopefully we can push this these control arms together with the spindle and get that secured. But first thing first, we gotta put this this one here. When I got them out, I marked them. This one says P for the passenger side, and as you can see up in there, we got the differential in, which was a nightmare. I don't know. I guess once I painted it and put this thing back in here with those bushings made it a whole lot different. It was hard to get in with the new bushings in. So hopefully we don't have any more trouble. So let's get on with it. Let's get this crap in here and be done with it. First thing first, I'm gonna put some grease on the end of that. I know, it takes gear off. We'll put some grease on it. I'm gonna fill up that differential once we get these in, and I've got gear off for it, and I'll fill it up. Alright, so we're gonna go up to here. right, guys, so you see it. This is it. She is in there. I'm gonna do my final tighten down, and I also have to go to got that screw up there to tighten down, but that's nothing. Also got to go to, well, I have to take this car to get it aligned once we get it rolling. All right, so you see me weld on the subframe connectors. Man, I'm sweating, man, I'm sweating. And we just finished this final install on this rear suspension, this IRS 2021 Cobra IRS. We got it in here, y'all. So only thing we got left to do on this here is to add shocks to it. That's it. That is it. And this here will be totally done. Well, you know, I got to do brakes and all that stuff on the road, but that's nothing. The hard part was getting this thing in here. And you should be looking at my face, see that I am sweating my guts out, and it took a while. With other stuff that was with me, well, I can't say other stuff, just say with me painting the parts and also putting in the bushings, made this thing a whole lot difficult. Also, this thing down here, this here, I didn't even know this was in the kit, but there's some bumps there right there. You can see these adjustables right here. I thought that was touching, but it's not. Got a little gap there, you know. So, and all that stuff gonna have to be synced. And I don't know if I can. I don't think I can do it. Like I don't think I'm gonna get it right. So I'm gonna take it to somebody once we get it running, get it rolling. You know, that's gonna be the first place we go, because we're gonna probably have to do the front as well. So we get all four aligned, and we'll be good to go. Yes, sir. We will be good to go. So. With all that being said, man, like, comment, subscribe, share. On the road to 500, as Queen Bee said. Much love to Queen Bee Swaps for sharing my videos. Man, I appreciate y'all, man. I don't think y'all know how much I appreciate y'all. Y'all helping me push on to this goal of 500. All right, so we're gonna get on out of here, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.